the release test questions, or a question that will demonstrate something that you'll see that's similar on your STAR test. 34 is a good one because I believe after we solve it, we might have to do something to the answer to change it but still equal the same value. And you'll see what I mean. So Suzanne takes 1/6 of an hour to walk to the playground and 1/3 of an hour to walk from the playground to school. How much time does it take Suzanne to walk to the playground and then to the school? So I look at my choices, and then I'm going to go ahead and set my problem up and find a common denominator because my denominators are unlike. Let's try blue. So I have 1/6 or 1/6 of an hour plus 1/3 or 1/3 of an hour. And it's plus. Okay. So right away, I'm going to set this up. Multiples of 6, I have 6 times 1. Multiples of 3, 3 times 1, 3 times 2. Common denominator is 6. Found that one fairly easy enough. To go from 6 to 6, I multiply times 1, so 1 times 1 on top is 1. To go from 3 to 6, I multiplied by 2, so multiply 2 on top. That gives me a 2. Now I'm allowed to add because my denominator is the same. And my numerators are 1 plus 2, which is 3. And here I have 3/6 or 3/6 of an hour. The reason I can't stop here, well, first of all, if you go look at your choices, none of them say 3/6. That means I have to continue to work to find the answer that I need. So I have to reduce. In order to reduce, what you have to do is list the factors of each number and divide the top and the bottom by the same number, hopefully the greatest common factor. So the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 6 are 1, because 1 times 6, 2 times 3, 3 times 2, and 6 times 1. So the greatest common factor they share is 3. So divide the top by 3. Oops. Let me make a little division sign better. And divide the bottom by 3. And let's see what our new equivalent fraction looks like. 3 divided by 3, well, anything divided by itself is 1. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So actually 1/6 plus 1/3 in the end will be 1/2, which is choice C. So to review, this problem, though it seemed easy enough because we just added two fractions, and we were able to find a common denominator, and we were able to add to get an answer. However, our answer needed to be simplified. And the way we simplified was by finding a greatest common factor, the GCF, the greatest common factor, divide the top and the bottom by the greatest common factor,